Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing well. I'm Ghazal from Ghazal's English and today we are going to learn some color idioms. Are you ready? Let's go then. Okay, the first color is blue. Blue. So what can you say as an idiom with the color blue? I feel blue. I feel blue. I'm sad. I feel blue. Next one is red. Red. I see red. I see red. I see red. I'm very angry. I see red. I see red. Now green. Green. I'm green with envy. I'm green with envy. I'm green with envy. I'm green with envy. Now the color pink. I'm tickled pink. I'm tickled pink. I'm very happy. I'm tickled pink. Now the last one is again with pink. I'm in the pink of health. I'm in the pink of health. I'm very healthy. I'm in the pink of health. I'm in the pink of health. Okay, now this time it's your turn. Listen and try to repeat after me, okay? Let's go. I feel blue. I feel blue. I see red. I see red. I'm green with envy. I'm green with envy. I'm tickled pink. I'm tickled pink. I'm tickled pink. And now the last one is I'm in the pink of health. I'm in the pink of health. I'm in the pink of health. Well done. Good job. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Love you all. See you.